Welcome to this video. If you use Excel and want to see all the keyboard shortcuts that can make your work easier, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple way to display all shortcuts directly within Excel without searching online or memorizing them. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Click on the Help tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen, then Help. On the left sidebar, you will see a search bar. Type Keyboard Shortcuts and press Enter. From the search results, click on See the list of keyboard shortcuts to open a complete guide of all available shortcuts in Excel. Now you can browse through the list and start using the shortcuts that suit your workflow. That's how you can quickly access all keyboard shortcuts in Excel without looking them up elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.